Dominic. Oh my goodness, Dominic, look. People took over the fire truck, bad guys. We gotta get them, Dominic.
Okay. Oh no.
We're out in the ship.
Let's
and they're gonna shoot.
They're all guns. No.
Good try. Here, I'll help you reload.
Reload.
Reload, men. Tell your men to reload.
Reload, men. All set up.
No, not those. Just these guys here, right here. Let me.
No.
That's okay. It's okay.
They're going down.
Move the ship in closer. Spin it around. Okay, hurry up. They're shooting at us. Okay, there.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, let me try once. Dominic,
Whoa.
you gotta get these guys. Drop the anchor. Oh, I got one. He's down. He's leaning against the fire truck. Here, I'll help you aim. Okay, pull it back. Oh, we gotta hurry. Ready? Blast him.
No, wait. Hit the sky.
Blast him.
Whoa.
Oh, no.
Let me try.
Give Dimitri a shot. Dominic, we gotta get him fast. Uh-oh. Hey, Dominic, it's getting too dangerous. I think we gotta bring out our big guns, man.
Yeah.
Here. Have the men get some bullets.
Whoa.
Our bigger guns.
And I'll use this one. Down.
I'm moving a little bit right here to get everybody in the picture with their guns.
Wait, did you pause it?
No.
Guys, sorry guys, that's just
It's okay.
Our friend
Come on, let's have fun.
Haha.
It's all right.
I got one.
Wait, okay. Hold on. Dominic, here. You gotta get him, man. Here, I'll give you this gun.
No, I got this gun is better.
Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Got them.
Unleash, Dominic.
Whoa.
Hurry up.
Whoa.
Your men are in trouble.
No, don't shoot them
That's
yet.
okay.
All right,
That's okay. Oh my goodness, there's big ones over there too.
Oh.
Dominic, hold on. Oh,
Whoa.
Dominic, good job.
Yes. That was almost
Come here, Dominic.
You need to reload, buddy.
Here, Dominic.
That was almost my
Use this one. It's cocked and ready.
That one has only one more tire.
What? Okay.
it did spin.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice shot.
That was
Okay, come over here. We gotta get these. Dominic, we
I
gotta
need to
get
get
these
this
guys.
guy. Yeah.
Oh, Dominic. Nice rootin', tootin', shooting.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
we gotta get the ones with the fire engine.
Whoa.
Oh, look. They almost hit our ship.
Whoa. Whoa, yes. Got one. That's my last thought.
We gotta back the ship up, Dominic. Come back. We gotta back the ship up.
The one guy's almost down.
Well,
I keep on shooting so then they can't shoot at us. Oh no, I hit the fire truck. And why don't I let...
I'm trying to get him out of it because
Dominic.
he's putting those up.
Dominic, here comes more monsters. There's more monsters over here, man. You hear?
And they're getting back up. I'll take
No,
them.
these are brand new ones.
Oh no.
You gotta get the ones. You gotta rescue the fire truck, Dominic, because they took over the fire truck. So go get those.
I'll rescue up the fire truck. Dimitri, you get those big guys before they get to the fire truck.
Where's the grenade?
Get closer.
Hold on, where's the grenade?
Whoa. Use the grenade. Do we have one?
We got
I
one.
thought
Hold on,
we
I'm
had
looking.
one.
I'm looking. Hold on.
Whoa.
Still getting it.
Whoa. The
Come
poisonous
on,
bullet.
Dominic.
I missed.
Oh, you missed.
I'm gonna get him.
Pick the anchor up. Pick the anchor up, man. Hurry. Come on, Dominic.
Whoa.
We gotta rescue the fire truck.
Man, these
Get
guys
closer.
are strong.
Those men are dangerous.
Whoa.
Oh, you got him.
But the reason
Dominic,
is
I think he's down. He just keeps.
Oh,
It's okay. Let me see.
he's not dead yet. Where's
think
that
he is.
grenade?
I think he is. I think you got him, Dominic. He's just leaning against the fire truck.
Let's get
Here.
this grenade.
There's one more big guy.
Yeah, I
He's dying.
can't find it.
Here, you need help. Here, Dominic.
These guys are
Right,
dying.
right there. Go ahead.
Yes! He's down! Finally!
Get that one. Everybody at one time. 1, 2, shoot. Oh, you got him.
He's still up!
He's still up, though. Let's shoot him again.
1, 2, 3!
Ah, yeah, we
Yeah, I'm
won.
in the top!
Dominic,
That one is left!
what's going on, Dominic?
One more's left.
One more's left. Okay. Oh, he's going down. He's going down. You're going to rescue the fire truck soon.
2, 1, fire! Oh no. Oh no, what?
Okay.
3, he's not dying! 1, fire!
Oh, you got him. Good job.
This
One more
sticky
little one.
gut. Time for... Well, put it on voices!
One more little one, guys.
Time for the voices, blow it!
Over here.
Time for the voices, blow it!
You
What?
got him. You guys got him. One more, look. Uh-oh. There's 2 more over here.
What?
Hurry.
But
You guys are almost out of ammo. You got to get these quickly.
I'll get this! It's almost
Dominic,
down! You
Dimitri.
get him! I'll get these!
Get them together over here. Dominic, come on, man. You got to get these guys.
Oh no, we gotta use these bullets!
We got to get these guys. Oh, good
They'll go
shooting.
down! They're too strong!
Good shot, Red Leader.
Good shot!
Okay, ready? Shoot them at once. When I say fire, hold. Hold. When I say fire, hold. Ready, guys? Fire! Oh, good shot. You got him, guys.
Yes!
Nice. You won.
We won!
Good job.